Welcome back to the channels, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to tear apart this caliper. I would show you how to rebuild it too. That's going to come in another video, just for the simple fact of I don't have the parts to rebuild it right now. I gotta go pick them up, and my local stores doesn't have them in stock. Go figure. So today I'm just going to show you how to tear it apart. It's real nice and clean, just like these over here. My knuckles, everything's clean on them. I have etching primer on them. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so if yours is anything like mine, it's been sitting for ever. A lot of corrosion and crud on it. You want to start by getting the bracket off. Sometimes it can be a pain, but you also gotta get these clips out, get this bolt out right here. The last one was seized, so I'm just going to go to the gun with this one. As you can see, the white powder stuff is not good. Yeah, it's supposed to be anti-seize or something of the sort. It's been sitting for a million years. So you get that out, get every little piece of rubber off, all the little brackets. All of this is going to be replaced with the kits. So don't worry if you're going to bend them or break them. New brake hardware kit fixes all that. Alright, so you have your bracket. You can set that to the side. You're not going to need that anymore until you rebuild it. This here, I'm going to take the rubber pieces off of this, pull this through like so, and put these off to the side. Take off your brake line screw and your brake bleeder screw. Take those, put those off to the side also. After that, got all this nasty liquid coming out. Now, I don't have an air hose, so I can't do it how a lot of people do it. But what you're going to do is take a punch, slide it to where the brake line goes, take a hammer, just lightly tap it out, the piston. You can see it's coming out right there. Like I said, don't push it or don't hit it too hard because you don't want to break the piston. If you do, it's okay, you can get a replacement. Alright, this angle may or may not work. It doesn't look like it's going to. There we go. Alright, so like I said, tap it out. This one's giving me more of a pain than the last one. Trying not to break it. That piston comes out. See, I scored it a little bit right there, but it's thick enough. I don't think it'll matter. All the corrosion, all that's going to get cleaned up. So after you do that, you take this seal out. Now there's a snap ring of sorts that's holding the seal in. Just look for the end of it. Which I can't seem to find it. Okay, well that doesn't really matter either if you're going to rebuild it. because the kit comes with a new one. There it is. There's your little snap ring. Then this comes out. Like I said, if you break it, it's okay because the rebuild kit comes with a new one. And that is it. Oh, nope, I lied. That's not it. The last seal you gotta take out is this seal right here. Let me grab you guys. Put you in the way. Now you got one more seal right inside here. It's a little flat seal. It's see if I can show you guys. It's right here. It's a little rubber seal, little O-ring. That's got to come out, and the rebuild kit comes with one of those too. As you can see, it's a pain. Now, these look like they were sealed perfectly fine. The sliders seem to be the only thing that was messed up with them. But like I said, with them sitting for years upon years upon years, why not rebuild them? And people ask, oh, well, why don't you just get new ones? Nothing's wrong with castings. A rebuild kit at most is 30 bucks with the piston. It's 6 bucks without the piston. So why spend $50 to $100 on a new caliper whenever I can just rebuild it like this? Granted, the powder coating and everything, or the sandblasting, sorry. Yeah, sandblasting can cost some money if you don't have a friend that can do it for you, or if you can't do it yourself. But for me, I have that ability, so why? I mean, that looks real nice. He sandblasted it all. I'm gonna go back and take an angle grinder to it with the flapper disc, smooth out all the casting marks and all the pits, and then either paint it with some tractor paint since it's durable, or have him powder coat it. I'm not quite sure which one I'm gonna do, but yeah, so that's the video. Like I said, I'll post up some pictures on Instagram of after he's done with it, and then in the next video, or the future video, I'll show you guys how to put it all back together. Same with the caliper, or the knuckles. I'll put new wheel bearings in them, make it look all nice and fresh, and then I will get the suspension going again, so I can put it back on the ground. You know, I kind of enjoy it rolling around. But yeah, so you guys have a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if it's short. I'm just rambling, of course. I'm gonna try and do more for you guys, try and get more stuff done. Yeah, have a great weekend. See you guys in the next one.